Hello friends, welcome to JB classes. Today our topic is coding decoding continuation. Okay. In the last three classes we have covered in the first video of coding decoding we have covered the concepts and different models for different competitive exams. And in the second video we started with the first model, that is letter or word coding with same letters. And in the third class letter or word coding with different letters is covered. Now we are going to see the next model, that is number coding. Number coding. Okay. See, number coding in a certain code language, enable is written as 39. How will disable be written in the same language? Enable is written as 39. How will disable be written? Okay. In the first class, I have given some ideas. Generally, how we can relate a word with the number. Yeah, in how many ways we can relate a word with the number? Yes, in two ways. One way is taking the letter positions in the English alphabet, and another way is considering number of letters in the given word. Number of letters is also a number. Letter position in the English alphabet is also a number. Okay. So my suggestion is it is better to take a number of letters first before considering letter numbers. It is better to consider number of letters first. Okay. Here the number of letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six letters are there, and this number is not a direct multiple of 6, or it is not a 6 square or 6 cube. Right. That's why I'm going with the letter numbers. This is 5, 14, 1, 2, 12, and 5. So how I am able to write the numbers this much fastly? Yeah, see the first video of coding decoding. In that video, I have given some tips and techniques to remember the letter numbers. Okay, here I am adding all the numbers. 5 plus 14, 19, plus 1, 20, plus 2, 22, plus 12, 34, and then 5, it is 39 only. So with this, I'm applying the same logic on this word also. So 4, 9, 19, 1, 2, 12, and 5. 4, 9, 13, 13 plus 19, 32, 32 plus 1, 33, plus 2, 35, plus 5 is 40, and then 12, 52. So answer is 52, right? Next example. Yeah, in a certain code language, 8 is written as 20, 8 is written as 20, B8 is written as 40, B80 40, C80 60, C80 60. Then how will MAT be written in the same language? Okay. Uh, Here also I'm trying with the letter numbers. Number of letters is 2. With the 2 letters, maybe 2 tens are 20. That is okay. But here the number of letters are 3. How to get 40? Number of letters are 3. How to get 60? So with the common logic, we cannot get the idea. With a common idea, we cannot get the logic for this question by considering number of letters. That's why I'm taking letter numbers first. So here the letter number of A is 1 and the T is 20. How to get 20 from 1 and 20? Yes, by multiplying 1 and 20, we can get 20. So is it the same for all or not? Let us verify. 2, 1, and 20. Yes, 2 into 1 into 20 is also 40. 3 into 1 into 20 is also 60. Correct. And we have to apply the same logic. 13 into 1 into 20. So instead of multiplying by 20, it is better to multiply by 2. 13 twos are 260. Sorry, 26 actually. So now put a 0. After the number, put a 0. That will be 260. That is the answer. Next question. In a certain code language, table is written as 25. Table is written as 25. Chairs is written as 36. Written as 36. Then students will be dash. Okay. This is 36. Okay. Right. So if you observe this question, this 25 and 36 both are perfect square numbers, right? This number is 5 square and this number is 6 square. How can we get 5 from table? Yeah, maybe number one, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are there, maybe 5 square. Or it can be the last letter square also because he is 5, right? So any one idea may match with the second word. Let us verify second. If it is the last letter number square, it is 19 actually, but 19 square, it is not 19 square. So that's why here we will verify the number of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are there, that's why 6 square. 36. Okay. Yeah, here the logic is number of letters square. Number of letters square. Here the number of letters are 8. That's why 8 square is 64. That is the answer. Okay. All right. Yeah, the next example. Same table is 25, chairs is 36. So here the word is student, not student, student. Okay, here 5 is number of letters 5, 5 square. Number of letters 6, 6 square. Number of letters are 7 only, that's why 7 square, 49. That is the answer. Yeah, with the same pair of, same set of words, table, chair, and student, you had given these many ideas, these many ways. Examiner can give in any way. Okay, try to get all the logics one by one. Yeah, in the second case, second question. Again, it is 525 pi square. This is 361 is also a perfect square number. For which number 361? 361 is a square for which number? Yes, it is 19. This is 19 square and it is pi square. So how we can get 5? Maybe the number of letters or the last letter number. But 19, there are no 19 letters. But the last letter number, yes, is 19 only. That's why 19 square, 361. So here the idea is last letter number square. Last letter number square. Okay. Here the last letter number is T20. 20 square is 400. That is the answer. Yeah, the next example. 25 is a square number, but 9, yeah, 9 is also a square number. Sir, 5 letters, 5 square 25, but 6 letters, 6 square is not 9. The last letter number is 5, 5 square is 25, but here the last letter number is not 3. Okay, maybe it is a diverting, right? Maybe this question is diverting our idea. Okay, see, you may not think this type of logic here. Here, what is the first letter number? 20, and the number of letters in the given word is 5. 20 and 5 it is 25. Matching or not? Yes. Here the first letter number C 3 and the number of letters in the given word are 6. 3 plus 6 is how much? 9. So actually the numbers are seems like a perfect square numbers, but the idea is not based on perfect square numbers. This is the logic here. So here the logic is first letter number, first letter number plus number of letters. Number of letters in the given word. Okay. So here the first letter number is 19 plus number of letters in the given word are 7. So 19 plus 7 is 26. That is the answer. Okay, right. The next question, fourth example, 23. How to get 23? Yeah, better you try to pause the video and you try to solve the questions first. Later, compare your answers with my solution with this explanation. Okay, yeah, you may not get this logic because it is not that much easy. Maybe after explaining the logic, that will be easy. You may feel that will be easy. Okay, here based on table table. Okay, in this word, he had given that number 23 based on vowels and consonants. Okay, how many vowels are there? Two vowels is written first. How many consonants are there? One, two, three. Three consonants. Means this number is not 23. This is two vowels and three consonants that are written adjacent, side by side. That is how we got this 23. Okay. We'll verify the same logic with the second also. Here the how many vowels are there? One and two. There are only two vowels. That is two. Next, how many consonants? One, two, three, and four. Four consonants are there. That is why four. So means two vowels, four consonants, 24. In the same way, here the number of vowels are one and two. There are two vowels and one, two, three, four, five. Five consonants. So answer is 25, right? Yeah. Next example, fifth one. 25, if you think it as a perfect square, but it is not a perfect square. So no need to consider squares here. Next, here the logic is, what is the first letter number? T, 20. How much is added? 5 is added. That 5 can be the number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it can be the last letter number also. So 20 is first letter number plus number of letters is already considered in question number 3. Maybe this is the idea for question number 5. Other is the second one is the idea for question number 5. What is the other one? The last letter number. First letter and last letter, if we add these to 25. See, here the first letter number is 3 and the last letter number is 90. 3 and 19 sum will be 22. In the same way, here the first letter number is 19 and last letter number is 20. Their sum is 39. That is the answer. That is the logic. Yes. Next example, 25 and 26. So with some practice, you can identify. This is similar to the previous logics, previous one of the logics. Okay. Here the number of vowels in table are 2 and the total number of letters are 5. The 2 and 5 are written adjacent side by side. Next, in chairs, the number of letters are 2 and the total number of letters are 6. So that's why 2 and 6 are written adjacent. That's why 26. Here also, the number of vowels are 1 and 2. There are only two vowels, but the remaining 5 are consonants. So that's why our answer will be, sorry, total number of letters are 7, right? So answer will be 27. Okay. Next example. Yeah. Uh, if you observe these numbers, you can get the logic very easily. Yes. Yeah, this number is a perfect cube number. For which number it is cube? 5. For which number it is cube? 6. 6. 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216. How we can get this 5 and 6? Yes, Here the number of letters are 5, 5 cube 125. Here the number of letters are 6, 6 cube is 216. Here the number of letters are 7. So the answer will be 7 cube, that is 343. Okay, right. Next one, 24 and 35. Yes. Compare this 8 question with first question. Instead of giving 25, he had given 24. Instead of giving 36, he had given 35. So, right, now you got the logic, right? For that one, here the number of letters are 5. 5 square is 25, but minus 1 is given. Here the number of letters are 6. 6 square is 36, but minus 1 is given 35. Here the number of letters are 7. 7 square minus 1 is our answer. 49 minus 1 is 48. Okay. Number of letters square plus or minus something also we should be able to identify along with perfect squares and cubes. Right. Next example. 13 and 26. Table the letter numbers are 20, 1, 2, 12 and 5. How to get 13? Yeah, see these two numbers. How much? 1 and 12 is 13. And is there any similarity? Is there any pattern? Yes. It is the second letter from first and it is the second letter from last. From left hand and right hand, they are maintaining the same position. Here, is it the same or not for this one? Let us verify. In chase, what is the second letter from left hand? H8. What is the second letter from right hand? R, 18. 8 and 18, that is 26. Yes, it is 26 only. We'll apply the same logic on this word also. Second letter from left hand is T, means 20. Second letter from right hand is 14, N, that is 14. And the sum is 34. So the answer is 34. Okay. And next example. Yes. See 10 and 38. So here, what is the last letter number? E5. Maybe it can be 5 twos, right? Here the last letter number 19. So it is also following the same logic. 19 twos are 38. So means here the logic is last letter number into 2. Last letter number into 2. So here the last letter is T20. 22 is a 40. So 40 is our answer. Right. Okay. Yes. The next question. Scales is written as 53. 53. And pencil is written as 45. Then how will eraser be written? In the same line. See, here the number of letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. So how to get 53? 53 is not a direct multiple and it is not a square and not a nearby square number. Okay, that's why I'm going with the number letter numbers. This is 19, 3, 1, 12, 5 and 19 again. Uh, Let us categorize first vowels and consonants. So here the vowels sum is 6 only. Let us count the consonant sum also. 19 plus 3 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 34. 34 plus 9, sorry, 19. 34 plus 19 is 53 only. Yes, it is matching. Let us verify on this word whether it is correct or not. So I'm writing only consonants. 16, 14, 3, and 3. 16 plus 14 is 30. 30 plus 3, sorry, this is L, right? L means 12. Hmm. 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. 33 plus 12 is 45. Yes, it is also matching. So we can apply the same logic on this word. So I'm writing only consonants 18, 19, and 18. 18 twos are 36. 36 plus 19, 55. That is the answer. Okay. So here the logic is sum of only consonants, letter numbers. Okay. Next example. Grapes is written as 6 and mango is written as 16. So grapes number of letters are 6, but if it is the logic, mango should consist of 5 here because there are only 5 letters. So means number of letters is not the logic. Next, here this is A. A means 1 and E is 5. Maybe it can be the sum of these two. Okay, with the sufficient practice only you can get this type of ideas. Okay, here we are telling the logic easily and you are watching the logic easily. But in the exam, when you try to get the logic, you have to we have to try in multi-dimension, different ways, different with the different ideas. So here, if you consider only vowels 1 and 5, the sum is 6. So we'll try to do the same logic, try to apply the same logic on this word also. Here the in mango 1 and it is 15. Yeah, 1 and 15 is also 16. Correct, it is matching. So now we can proceed with the same logic, that is 1, 1 and 1. The sum is 3. So answer is 3. Yeah, second question. 23 and 8. 23 and 8. How to get 23 from grapes? GRAPES. 7, 18, 1, 16, 5 and 19. Yeah, if you see carefully, sum of these two will be 23. Yes, sir. Is there any pattern? Yes, second letter from left hand and second letter from right hand. Their sum is 23. In the same way, we'll verify the second. This is 1 and it is 7. 1 and 7. Sum is 8. Yes, it is matching. Now we can proceed with the same logic. Here A is 1 and N is 14. 1 and 14 sum will be 15. The answer is 15. Okay, right. Next one. Yes, here the number of letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are there. And if you observe these numbers carefully, these two numbers are nearby perfect squares. I think. Okay, this number is 6 square 36, but it is minus 6. Okay, that 6 minus 6 can be the same number 6 or it can be the constant number 6 also. Next, here the number of letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters are there. 5 square is 25, but it is not a minus 6, it is minus 5, means the same number. So for this question, the logic is n square minus n, where n is the number of letters in the word. Here the number of letters in the given word banana is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are there. That's why answer will be 6 square minus 6. 36 minus 6 is 30. That is the answer. Right. Next, in fourth question, if you observe these numbers carefully, you can identify the numbers as nearby perfect cubes, right? This number we can consider it as a 6 cube plus 6. 216 plus 6 is 2222. And this number is 5 cube 125 plus 5. And one more thing, try to remember triple two. Try to remember triple two. Whenever in number series or in any problem, in any question, if triple two appears, if triple two is there, 90% of the cases, 90 to 95% of the cases, it is used as a 6 cube plus 6 only, maximum. So immediate after observing triple two, try to take this logic first. If it is not matching, try another logic also. Maximum it will be solved with this idea. Okay, 5 cube plus 5. So here the number of letters are again 6. So the answer will be 6 cube plus 6. Answer is triple two. Okay, all right. Yes. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed it, please subscribe. If you like the video, press the like button. If you have any doubts, you can write them in the comment section. If you like the video, you can share this video or you can share this channel to as many persons as possible for the aspirants who are preparing for different competitive exams. And don't forget to press bell icon for topic wise latest updates. Okay, thank you.